In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect WordPress to N8N seamlessly and efficiently. This integration is crucial for automating workflows and ensuring your data flows smoothly between platforms. Let's dive right in. First, we'll start by creating new credentials in N8N. This will enable N8N to connect securely to your WordPress site. On your N8N dashboard, navigate to the option to create new credentials. Here, it's important to select WordPress as the credential type, which sets the foundation for this connection. Next, we're going to choose an authentication method. For this process, you'll want to select Basic Auth. This method uses a straightforward username and password authentication that N8N will use to access WordPress. Now, we'll enter the connection details. Start by specifying your WordPress URL, which is simply the web address of your WordPress site. For example, if your website is hosted at yourdomain.com, you'll enter https yourdomain.com. Following that, you'll need to provide your WordPress username. This is the same username you use to log into your WordPress dashboard. It's crucial to get this right to avoid any connectivity issues. The next step involves generating an application password. Head over to your WordPress admin panel, often found at yourdomain.com WP admin. Once logged in, go to the Users section and select your profile. Scroll down until you find the Application Password section. Here you can enter a name for your new application password, like N8N integration, to keep things organized. Once you've entered a name, click on Add New Application Password. WordPress will then generate a secure password for you. Make sure to copy this password somewhere safe. You'll need it in the next steps, and you won't be able to view it again once you navigate away from the page. If you're using a self-signed SSL certificate for your WordPress site, you might run into SSL verification issues when trying to establish this connection. To solve this, N8N offers an option to ignore these SSL issues. Record this setting in your connection details if necessary to prevent connectivity problems. Once you've filled in all the necessary information, it's time to save these credentials. Click Save to store your WordPress credentials securely within N8N. This way, you won't have to repeat this process every time you want to run a workflow involving WordPress. And there you have it. You've successfully connected WordPress to N8N. With these configurations in place, you're all set to start creating robust automated workflows, saving you time and streamlining your operations. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.